Have you always been wanting to make money online? Or have you tried multiple websites but didn't get paid? Don't worry, today I will be sharing 5 websites that will pay you instantly. Also, you can earn from anywhere around the world no matter where you belong. So stick around. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this channel, we share with you various ideas to make money online. So, if you are interested in making money online, then do consider subscribing to our channel. Also, turn on the bell notifications to get updates on our upcoming videos. Now let's get straight into the video without wasting any time. Let's first talk about instant pay. Almost all the websites that claim to have instant payouts have a minimum withdrawal threshold. Reaching those payout thresholds is time-consuming and frustrating. In this video, I will share 5 websites having low payout thresholds. And the instant pay comes when you request a withdrawal. You will receive your payment immediately, within some minutes or within the same day. The first website that I want to share with you guys is SuperPayMe. This website pays you instantly for completing various tasks like completing online surveys, completing various offers, downloading apps, playing games, and much more. They also do have a referral program that you can use to generate even more money by inviting other people sign up to the website through your unique affiliate link. You can cash out as low as $1 using PayPal, crypto, Skrill, or even exchange your earnings with gift cards. This makes this website useful to everyone from all around the world. You can literally earn $1 within a few hours or a day if you are determined in earning. I will leave all the links and necessary information to the websites in the description that I will be sharing with you today. So the second website is called SurveyTime. As the website's name suggests, you will need to complete surveys to get paid. This website is so special that it pays you instantly after you complete a survey. Also, they have multiple payment methods like PayPal, Bitcoin, gift cards, and others. Their affiliate program pays you the same amount of the earnings made by people you refer to this website. So you can multiply your earnings with their referral/affiliate program. The third website that I want to share with you is called OfferNation. This website has a very low payout threshold like the first website that I shared with you earlier. You can request a withdrawal when you reach as little as $1 and cash out through various options like PayPal, Skrill, Bitcoin, gift card, and others. You will get instantly paid by this website. All you need to do is complete online surveys. Also, you will receive a sign-up bonus when you register on the website. The fourth website that I want to share with you guys is called Earnably. This is one of the fastest paying websites with a very low payout threshold. This website will pay you instantly as soon as you reach as little as $1. All you need to do is complete tasks, watch videos, and take surveys. You can then cash out your earnings through PayPal or gift cards. The last website that I would like to share with you guys is called InstaGC. On this website, you can earn points by taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, searching the web, and many more. Then later, you can redeem these points and get paid instantly. So these are the websites that pay you instantly for completing various tasks. Thank you for watching. Do like and share this video if you found the video informative. See you in the next video.